this point in writing, you should have written paragraphs 1, 2, 3, and now we're ready for 4. You guys are such good counters. Who taught you math? No, that wasn't me. All right, so let's get going on paragraph 4. You're going to need the 2 things I have had you do every day, your notebook or paper and your Oreo packet. So we're going on the 4th paragraph. That should be like this. Whoa, flip that camera. There we go. So this is paragraph 4, the last reason we're giving to prove our point. So my last reason was better focus. It'll help students to focus better. So I'm going to state my reason 3, explain that reason, to give examples, just like I have for the other one. So let me pause it and work my magic. Perfect, magic. Students will be able to focus better in class if everyone wears uniforms. Focus better. That was my focus of this paragraph. So I got that on there. Now I need to give my examples and reasons to prove it, which were that they won't be so worried about their appearance. So I need to have how many sentences? Arm telling me that my Zoom starts in 5 minutes. I'm cutting it close, guys. How many sentences do I need to have? 3 to 5. So this is 1 sentence. I need to write at least 2 more for this paragraph to be a good one. And then why did I leave that big old space there? What's that thing called? Indent or an indentation. You got to do that to show that this is a different thought than that paragraph. This was about bullying. This one's about focusing. That's different. Here we go. Let me work my magic again. All right. So here we go. I already told you students will be able to focus better in class if everyone wears uniforms. So then I supported that with kids can spend a lot of time worrying about their looks. When everyone looks similar, it can cut back on that distraction. 1 sentence, capital, punctuation. A 2nd sentence, capital, punctuation. A 3rd sentence, capital, punctuation. So I've got 3 sentences, and that's okay for a paragraph. And it starts with an indent, and they're all capitalized and punctuated properly. So that's the end of my 4th paragraph. You go ahead and write your 4th paragraph so we're ready to finish this puppy with paragraph 5 tomorrow. Happy writing.